Brand spanking new Ford Mustang, not just any Mustang, but a Dark Horse, baby. Special edition. Looks like a Shelby GT500. You guys can tell by the tips. Does have a really, really sweet design. Dark Horse package on that thing. Black on black on black on black. And this thing's got carbon fiber wheels, which looks fucking crazy. Look at these things. Carbon fiber plates on that boy. Them, you know, they ain't 25s. I think they're 19s, but they look good though. You know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber. Sick with the blue inlays. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got blue inlay on the inside, blue calipers. And we already did an X-pipe on this car before. The customer wanted a little bit more sound. Now he's upgrading it completely. Doing a full Borla ATAK system, baby. Shout out to Borla for hooking it up with a system. That's the third one today, guys. And this Ford Mustang Dark Horse is getting a Borla ATAK with the black diamond, black gloss tips. Gonna look sick. Does come with valve control. Like I said, Shelby GT500 tips, Ford Mustang mufflers. Kind of shitty. Gonna weight this thing up with a Borla system. Dual 3-inch piping, X-pipe with some Borla ATAK baffles, and hell yeah, man, this thing's gonna sound sick. Also has active exhaust, so it's gonna make the sound even better. We're gonna drop it, rev it for you guys real quick. Let me know what you guys think of the stock system, and comment below. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the Borla ATAK better than the stock system. So, hold up. That's the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse, black on black with the carbon fiber wheels. Looks pretty damn sweet. Customer does not want to be in the video, so we don't put them in the video. We might get a little shot here or there, but for right now, this is the Dark Horse, and we got that bachata playing in the background. Shit is annoying. I'm gonna have to mute that real quick. Or just go over here, talk about the rest of the car. Black on black, black wing, got the gloss black, and then flat black, or actually this is a nice little gray finish on the side of the wing, which is pretty cool. Match the rest of the tips. The black exhaust tips are black, like a black chrome, which matches this little side accent right here, which is pretty damn awesome. Got the black Dark Horse on there. Black on black on black. It's not a white horse. Dark horse, black horse, not white horse. It's a Mustang, also a horse, and they also make a Bronco, which is also a horse. You put a Borla ATAK on there, you get more horses. Ride around in a Dark Horse with more horses with a Borla ATAK. And that's air intake. Slap an AFE air intake on that thing, really wake it up, really get some more performance out of this S560. Like I said, the Dark Horse is a special Mustang, comes with about 500 horsepower, a significant amount of torque, a little bit more than you would get out of your regular Mustang GT. So, and you got the option of carbon fiber wheels, which is fucking awesome. So, like I said, more dark gray accents right here, which are pretty cool. Gives the car a little bit more pop. It's special to the Dark Horse. Again, another black horse on the side. And, you know, the front end is just a little bit more aggressive as well. Got the RTR style front bumper, front lip from factory. Car looks awesome, man. I really like this thing. If you want a Mustang, you're not just looking for a regular GT500, get yourself a Dark Horse, man. Or a regular Mustang, get yourself a Dark Horse. It's right in between Super Extreme Mustang GT500 and regular Mustang GT. Don't buy yourself an EcoBoost. You can. We work on them all the time. And we really appreciate all you customers with the EcoBoost. But this right here, man. You know what I'm saying? 500 horsepower, smoking all the scat packs. 10-speed transmission on this thing. Fucking awesome. Borla ATAK looks great. Sounds even better now. Shout out to Borla. Shout out to G Exhaust, man, because we fucking knocking out Mustangs left and right. Borla ATAK system. This is the third of the day. We just did a 400Z. It was pretty awesome. Switch fire cap back. Now we got active exhaust. Borla ATAK, baby. With the Borla black chrome tips. 3-inch all the way through. Borla, Borla, Borla. Shout out to Borla. We out, guys. Hit us up if you need something. DM, like, comment, subscribe. Fucking send this to your friend. If they got Mustang, they need a Borla system, send this to them. And follow us on Instagram too. We got you. We out.